Hi, I'm Marianne, and today we're going to be looking at phase 2, phonic sounds. Last week we briefly looked at phase 1, that was the alphabet. This week we'll look at phase 2, which is the phonic sounds. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we release a new video on phase 3 that will be reading. When teaching the phonic sounds, it is important to start off with the first 5, so this will be A until E, so it's A, B, K, T, and E. Later on, use picture analogies also to make it easier for your students. So K for keys, L for lion, M for milk, N for nest, and O for orange. Once your student gets used to the picture analogies, you can take it away and start off with the more difficult ones. A for ant, B for ball, K for cake, D for dog, and E for egg. You will see when you are advanced, they still say A for ant, B for ball, because this is already in their memory, but it makes it much easier for them to recognize it. Also, you can see I've used the capital letter and the small letter. I think this is important. Most of the people only use the small ones, but the students will get confused when they see the capital letter. Okay, let's quickly look at the video. Okay, L
for lion.
S
For sun.
O.
For orange.
The two k sounds. Keys and
Whale.
cake. Okay, F
For fish.
for as you can see there in the video, only the first 5 has been adapted, so it was only A until E. This week they did start up until J. It is also important to note, okay, Hanwar. Fish. P
For pen.
for pen.
Papa didn't learn.
E.
For egg. For
It's one of the new ones. Okay, R.
For skelly
For rascally rabbit. K.
for right.
Where's K for grapes? K for grapes. Yeah.
For yeah.
It's important to only start with the first 5 and then advance as we go along. You can see that you can understand and recognize the sound and allocate it to the correct letter. This is why it's important to use picture analogies. Okay, A.
For umbrella.
Umbrella.
For horse.
Horse. Q.
For quail.
D.
For dog. For dog.
J.
For cat. For
X.
F.
X. T.
For tree.
3. E or I.
E for I.
Phase 2 can seem very intimidating, but it's actually one of the easiest phases. As you can see, it's actually easier than the alphabet. Next week we will be looking at the reading skills video. Wherefore?
Woodler.
Z.
Seven. F for cat. For that.
Next. Okay, nicely done. Okay, please, thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can watch phase 3, which will concentrate on their reading. Thanks so much.